Hi guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, any country you are. This video is about hair, and watch this video to end. You are going to see different hairstyles on this video, and this post is for children. If you are looking for hairstyles that you want to hairstyle that you want to place your child, you need to watch this video because there are latest 2014 latest hairstyles that you're going to see, that you're going to place. No need of thinking of what am I going to plait my baby girl, what am I going to plait my baby boy, for people that is plaiting their guy their son hair. So watch the video to the end, and you're going to see that you're going to love it. And please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video out for people to see different styles of hair. And I really love the styles of this children hair. Like, they really plait it very nice, and I still let me share it out to my friends. So if you're watching me from YouTube, please follow me on my YouTube channel. Check the link below. Follow me there. If you are watching me from YouTube, please don't forget to subscribe, share me out. If you're watching me from Facebook, go to my profile, you see my YouTube link there, or on this and this link. Follow me there. Go to my YouTube channel and subscribe. I'm your friend and your sister Nancy Epere. So this video is nice. This picture, hairstyles is very very nice, and is updates is 2014, 2024, 2024 hairstyles that you're going to love so much. Keep on watching. Nancy Ebere, love you.